Balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic vinegar.
Just a drizzle of balsamic vinegar.
And balsamic vinegar.
With basil. Basil?
Mozzarella and some basil.
Basil and tarragon.
Some basil.
Teaspoon of black pepper.
Black pepper mix.
I hate black pepper.
Some cream cheese, black pepper biscuits.
With black pepper sauce.
Chili.
Chili?
Spicy chili. Chili. Cinnamon.
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 It's a cinnamon.
Lots of condiments.
Condiments.
I need more condiments.
Ginger.
Right.
Ginger.
Ginger?
Ginger? Ginger.
Good gravy.
Good gravy.
Gravy.
Is gravy?
I need some herbs.
Chinese herbs need to work in.
Herbs. They grow herbs.
Herbs.
Ketchup.
Ketchup?
Ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup!